Ginza, Tokyo. Clean streets, glass reflections, and a calm, premium city vibe. Today is special. Chuo-dori is close to cars. A weekend pedestrian paradise. We'll start at Ginza-itchome. Walk the wide car-free main street. Then escape into quieter side streets. Let's go. This is Ginza-itchome. A great starting point for Ginza. One stop from Yurakucho. And close to the main street. Filming tip. Ginza is all about reflections. Look for glass walls, polished storefronts, and shiny floors. Use slow, steady steps. And keep each shot short. And here it is. Chuo-dori. Ginza's main street. Normally, cars run through here. But today, it's open for people. For the best POV shots, stay low and steady. Show the wide street, the footsteps, and the long lines of buildings. Film for 10 seconds. Then step to the side. Keep the flow moving. This is the weekend bonus. No cars. More space. And the city feels quieter than you expect. For a hero shot, stand still for 5 seconds. And let people walk through the frame. You'll capture the Ginza vibe without filming faces up close. Now look around. Ginza is all about details. Clean lines, luxury windows, and small design moments. Easy B-roll ideas. Slow tilt up on a building. Close-ups of signs. And reflections in the glass. Keep each shot short. 8 to 12 seconds is perfect. Now let's turn off the main street. This is where Ginza feels calmer. Narrower streets. More shade. Small cafes. Quiet corners. If the main street is crowded, side streets are your reset. Listen to the sound. Slower steps. Less noise. This area is GINZA SIX. A simple landmark. And a useful meeting point. Even if you don't shop, it's a great place to pause. Grab a drink. Take a quick break. Then continue the walk. 3 quick tips before you go. Tip 1. Restrooms. Big buildings and department stores are the easiest option. Tip 2. Payment. Most places accept cards, but small stands may prefer cash. Tip 3. Comfort. Wear comfortable shoes. Ginza looks small on a map, but you will walk more than you expect. To finish, walk toward Yurakucho. Under the train tracks, the mood changes. More casual, more local, and a fun contrast to luxury Ginza. Use this as your ending sequence. Slow steps, warm lights, and a final wide shot. That's Ginza. A clean, modern walk. A weekend pedestrian paradise. Plus calm side streets. And a local finish near Yurakucho. If this POV walk helped, subscribe to Japan Pocket Guide. More simple Tokyo routes. Coming soon.